Hi guys, so we are going to open, hold on, we're going to open these, and I'm doing this on TikTok, so go to my TikTok account if you want to see the big opening of that. So they come like this, they feel so weird, so you're supposed to pop it and there's like something in them, or I don't know, and there's slime. So let's open all of them. So we have our things laid out here. Let me clean up a little. Let me bring this to the side. Take that. Okay. So we have these. Now we're going to pop them. So first I'm going to pop this one. Are you ready?
Yep.
I'm scared. Ready? Oh my gosh. Ready? I can't!
Use your nail.
That's what you're supposed to do, I think. Ready? Set.
Oh!
Ew, it's all jelly. Jelly slime.
Oh, that's cool.
Let's see what we got. If we got anything. Oh no! I got it sticky to the table-y. I don't think we got anything in this one.
Oh, they all don't have surprises?
They do.
Yeah.
Some of them do. I don't think this one has anything in it. Let's get all the slime out of it. Okay. So now this one has something in it. See? Okay. Let's pop this one. Ready? Set. I don't want to break the toy that's inside of there. Ready? Set. Oh.
It's gonna hurt.
Ready? Set.
Ooh.
What is this? I got something. What? Ooh.
Ooh. Oh, he's cute.
Look. Got that. Let's not let the slime touch the thing. We're gonna mix it all together after we're done with all of them. Ugh. How do you get this out? It's like really sticky. It's like really sticky. Okay. This one's done. This one's done. So now we're gonna pop this one. I don't think this one has anything in it, but let's just pop it. So ready? Molly?
Yep.
Set. I'm gonna try to pop it like this.
Okay, go.
Actually, this. Oh. Why do I never get the first time?
Watch Uriah. Look.
Did you?
Oh, it worked. Load it.
I'm gonna put the purple in the purple spot and the pink in the pink spot.
This isn't the gun. Where's the other gun? Is this the gun?
Yeah. There is no other one.
Yep.
Whoa. Oh, okay. I know this one has something in it. I'm just gonna wait for my brother. So let's pop this one. Okay, ready, Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
Set. Ah,
Ew.
popped it.
Ew.
Ew, it farted. Yeah, this one doesn't have anything in it. I'm trying to get the slime out of all of them. What if I'm missing the toy? Nope, nothing in this one. There's still a bunch of slime in that one. You have to take all out the slime. Oh, that one's empty. That one's empty. That one's empty. And Wait. There's still more slime in this one. I found more slime. Okay. So I'm gonna do the last two. Wait, let's wait for my brother. See when my brother gets back. So my brother's here, so now we're gonna pop the last two. Ready? I'm gonna pop this one. This one definitely has something in it. I got this so far. Like this sushi roll. It's squishy! Okay, ready? Set. I think I got it. Yep, wait. Oh, I barely got it. Oh. Okay, ready? It never took me this long. Oh my gosh!
Use your nails.
No.
Oh! Alright, you're right, try it.
Oh! Missed. Missed.
Oh!
That worked.
Here, put the slime in the slime pile right here. Oh no. I still haven't got to open mine yet. Does it have anything in it? No? Nope. Okay. I think mine has something in it. Okay, ready? Set.
Oh my god.
Ow! It hurts! Okay, I'm gonna try one more time. Okay, ready? Set. I'm not gonna give up. Wow. Wow!
There it goes.
Yes! This one has something in it. Let me get out the slime out first. Who keeps on putting the slime on the thing? Right, put it down. Okay, if I can get the slime off of me. Let's see what we got.
Oh!
So we got
Aw, a little teacup. He's
little
cute.
teacup with the
Yeah, sure.
thing in it. So we got these. They're so squishy. I think we can add all of them in the same.
Oh, they are squishies.
Yeah.
Can I see?
They're squishy squish.
These are these are not squishy.
Yeah, they are.
Hard.
Look,
Did you lose it, guys?
they're so squishy.
No, you need the gun, baby. Go find
Ready?
the other gun. This one, isn't it?
I got these two out of all like 5, I think. So, hope you guys like my video. Bye.
Like it.
Like and subscribe and comment down below. Have you ever
Come on, bud.
tried one of these? Oh wait, I'm not done with the video yet. I still have to add them together. Oh, sorry. So we're gonna, can't see it. So see that pink slime? We're gonna mix them together. Oh no. Okay, let's see what color they make. They're obviously going to make, I don't know, nothing. So there we have it, kids. There is our slime. And then we can add these things in it. Let's add them, our accessories, in the big giant slime. See, you can kind of see them. You can see that one. Hope you guys like that's really sticky. Look how sticky my hands are. It's like gel. Ew, it tastes terrible. Just kidding, I wasn't licking it. It's like soap. I'm just gonna go wash my hands. Thank you guys for watching. It's very sticky, by the way. Bye. Forgot to tell you my TikTok account. It's Savage21. It's not Savage21. I have no idea. It's Savage 7 something. Or 9, I don't know. Bye.